Hi, I'm Joe Creek, the Holistic Health Coach. I'm going to show you a pec major stretch using the Swiss ball. Okay, so just position yourself on the floor with just as much weight on the knees as you have on your hands. Yes, you're on all fours. Grab the ball, bring the ball close so the shoulder is on the front of the ball and you can have your arms pretty much straight out. So in this position here, I'm going to contract by pushing the arm into the ball, and I'm going to breathe in for 5. So 20% contraction, and then as I breathe out, I'm going to drop down and away from the stretch. So I'm going to rotate towards my right, so I'm stretching the left side of my chest. So remember, I'm going to contract, breathe in for 5 counts, 20% contraction, so push into the ball. And then breathe out. Drop down into the stretch and then away from the stretch. Okay, that's 2. Okay, so let's do 5 reps on this left side. So contract, breathe in. And breathe out the stretch. So you can actually move the ball around to hit different parts of the chest. So just depending on where you feel tight, you can roll the ball into that position to feel the stretch more. So I'm just going to roll the ball around a little bit. I'm going to roll it down, so I'm going to roll it to here. So contract. And breathe out and stretch. So you should feel the stretch a little bit more with each rep that you do. So one more. Contract and breathe out and stretch. Okay, let's try the other side. So you should have felt a really good stretch across the chest. Okay, so let's set ourselves up again. So remember, onto all fours, bring the arm up onto the ball, keep the shoulder close to the ball, and in this position we're going to contract by pushing the arm into the ball. So let me show you from a side view as well, so you can see what's going on here. So from here I'm going to contract into the ball, breathe in. And then as I breathe out, I'm going to drop down into the stretch. So let's just show you here. So contract, 20% contraction as I breathe in. And breathe out and stretch. And again, breathe in. And breathe out and stretch. So as you drop down, you can rotate towards your left. You're going to feel a stretch from the right side a bit more. Okay, last 2. So contract, breathe in. Keep the shoulder close to the ball. And breathe out, stretch. And one more. Contract, 20%. And breathe out. Okay, well done. That is your pec major stretch on the Swiss ball. Great job.